Yeah.
Welcome back, JDM fam. We're doing a quick video on the 2IS really quick. I'm sure you guys saw the thumbnail and everything, but if you guys missed all the videos on all of the mods on this car, definitely check them out. We threw some yellow vinyl on the fogs, installed this splitter, which fits perfectly on this car. This is the refresh, looks great. And we have the F Sport grille with the stock badge. Looks so good. Love this car. Actually really like this car. This car is lowered as well and it looks so good. So we do have the window visors. We have a carbon roof spoiler right there. Diffuser back here. Muffler. We have aftermarket mufflers and resonator delete as well as an intake, and it is tuned. So in this video, it's going to be a really quick video, but I did want to show you guys some of this because this was so annoying. So last time we did replace the windshield moldings, and you can see the clips right here. These are so dried out. So what we ended up doing was pulling off the one that was right here because it was barely hanging on and it was just torn up. So about a year ago, we tore off this molding that was on the side over here. They actually glued it in here, so we had to tear out all of the glue, clean it up, and then throw the new one in here. The clips are definitely failing. They're looking really bad. So we're going to be replacing the clips in here as well as throwing in a new molding on this side. We'll probably do that side as well, but I'll probably just show you guys this side really quick. Now you could still see some of the glue that we weren't able to clean out. It was a freezing day here in Phoenix, Arizona. We don't get many of those, but in the winter when we were actually doing this, it was probably like 40 degrees out. It was so cold, our hands were numb, but we did get most of the glue out, as you could see, but there's still some in here. It's not really making a big difference or preventing us from replacing this molding over here, but I did want to show you guys some of the glue that's still in here. Yeah, we bought this from a dealership. Whoever the previous owner was, they just globbed a bunch of glue in here. It was nasty. It was holding, but this windshield molding was just, it was in bad shape, and we wanted to replace both sides. So that one's still holding up, but this one actually flew off on the freeway, I believe. So yeah, we're going to replace these clips and throw the new ones in. So here's the moldings that we got. These are just some cheapies off of Amazon, I think actually eBay, and I believe these are like $33. If you get these from Lexus, they'll probably be a lot more. I don't know, I'm just guessing, but what, like 80 bucks, 120 bucks? Who knows? And then here's the clips that it came with as well. Awesome. So the actual moldings that we replaced last time did not have new clips, so we're taking out the old clips and replacing them with these new clips. It should hold really well. Hopefully it doesn't fly off on the freeway again. Okay, so you could see there's still some of the old molding in here with the rubber. So my son's gonna come in here with the needle noses and just try to pull all of these out. So we're gonna try to show you at least most of these. This one just disintegrated and disappeared. So you could see these clips are sun rotted. When we got it from the dealership, it was actually missing one of these windshield moldings, so I'm pretty sure those are just sun rotted from the sun, and you could see all the glue and this, it's a mess in here. So we are going to try to clean some of these out, but this is some of the old moldings from over a year ago that the previous owner glued in here to hold it in. So this is just nasty in here. Yeah, we're gonna try to clean as much as possible and hopefully bypass having to clean all of this out. We're gonna try to get some of it out, but I think we're gonna have to like razor blade it out or something. This stuff is glued in, so we'll be right back. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We didn't have to clean out much, but we did just clean out the plastics from the old clips. it's looking really good. So this should hold a lot better than how it was before with the old clips that were just dried out and so brittle. I can already tell that this is just fitting so much better. So that's one side. We're gonna get the other side done really quick. If you guys are doing this to your car, you definitely want to replace those clips. It really makes a big difference. And now he doesn't have a bunch of clips exposed over there and just that ugly big gap over there on the side of the windshield. So looks so much better. For $33, we replaced both of the moldings on the windshield, but this car looks really good. Now it has new moldings, and soon we'll be doing more to this car as well. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys like 2IS content, and I'll see you guys on the next video.